Hi guys, so today's video is going to be about my base. So I thought I would just show you, excuse me, I've got hay fever, I've got allergies, my face is just horrendous, I'm breaking out. Oh, I have so much trouble at the moment with my skin, but at least my eyes aren't as puffy as they have been. I woke up not yesterday, the day before, and couldn't really see out my eyes because my eyes were all dry and puffy from allergies, which I think is from trying lots of different skincare. I have been trying lots because obviously I got a new job and it's all about skincare and makeup, so I've been trying lots of different things and I may have overwhelmed my poor skin. So yeah, I'm having lots of troubles with my skin at the moment, but it's okay, it'll settle down. But today's video I thought I would go through and talk about an Australian brand which I have mentioned before. It is Youngblood, so they make some awesome makeup. So first we'll start off with, I've already prepped my face, like I put my serum and my moisturizer and everything on, but now I'm going to prime with their primer. It is a silicone, however you say it, a silicone primer. Comes out clear, you don't need a lot of it. Probably haven't got enough, but I'll put a bit on my T-zone. Awesome. So I love, I'm also looking at my mirror when I'm not looking at the camera. I love this primer. It is silicone, so it also just, it feels weird on your hands, but it blurs out your pores and just smooths out your skin. So I really love that. So next we'll move on to the foundation. Ooh, I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a dog howling in the background. Their owners must have gone for somewhere for the day. Poor little love. I like to conceal first because I just feel like I use less foundation when I do. So I'm going in with my Maybelline Age Rewind. This is probably why, because I packed quite a bit on. But I just love my Maybelline concealer. I use it as my eyeshadow base as well, all over the face. So then I blend it out. I'm going to blend it with a brush today. I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe JH08 to blend that out. So I blended out my concealer. You can see, I don't know if I can get closer without cutting my head off. Yeah, I can't go any lower on my chair and I haven't got like a higher tripod, so I just have to cut half my forehead off. But now we'll go in with my foundation and put that on the face. Blend it down the neck. Okay, so that has a really nice sort of sheer coverage. I hate how brushes finish on my nose. They're always so streaky. Oh my god, that dog's not gonna shut up. Poor thing. Okay, so I finished off just buffing out the noise. God, my skin is awful at the moment. I used my Morphe 439 brush to put my foundation on. So now that I have got my foundation and my concealer on, I am going to use, where's my brush? There it is. Use my Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH07 to set under the eyes. I am going to use today, I usually use my Morphe translucent powder. Today I'm going to actually use my Napoleon Camera Finish Close-Up Complexion Perfecting Powder. So this is, you know, been loved. But I'm going to use this just to set under the eyes. And on top, around my nose. Oh, that poor dog. Poor baby missing its owners. So here we go. We'll mix it in, tap off the excess loose powder. There we go. And just pat that on everywhere. So now that we are all set, I love to set my face. Even though I have dry skin, I still love to set my face. I don't know why. Here we go. So now we can do a bronzer. Don't want this video to be a million miles long again. So moving on to some bronzer. Let's go in with the Napoleon Bronze Patrol. I love this stuff. Love this stuff. It's very pigmented. You don't need much. See that one, but you can't see this one because you can see like the shape of my face is different. Like I'm not, what do you call it? I've forgotten the word. I'm not symmetrical, that's it. So my ear always stands out more too, which used to annoy me when I was a kid, but now I'm just like, oh, whatever. Cool, so there we go, that's bronzer. Then we'll go in with some blush. I usually go in with my Napoleon, everything's Napoleon, Cheeky Tone and Bright Palette. I said that really weird. Go in with my Cheeky Tone and Bright Palette, which has a bronzer sort of contour colors, which I use very often, blush and highlight, which I love the highlight. It's so pretty. And they don't actually make this anymore. Napoleon, really, like you need to start making this again. This is awesome. I don't know why, but so annoying when people start producing things that are so good. It's so good, I love it. And I use both the colors of the blush, tap off the excess, and in I go. I love blush, so I always probably go like overboard, but I just love it. I used to hate blush. Someone told me that I have like the wrong skin tone for blush. They were like, oh yeah, you don't see blush, so don't use it. So for years, like, and I'm talking probably 8 years, I never used blush because someone told me that I shouldn't. And I used to hate it and be like, oh, I don't like blush. But now, all of a sudden, I've been watching everybody. I don't know if it's like a trend that's come back in with blush. Everyone's like, yeah, blush is the thing. Or not. I don't know. But I always go like way too heavy. Though everything on this camera is looking way heavier than it does in real life. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's go in with this one here. And this one. And this one. And this one. Just go in with like lots of them and see what happens. Wow. Picks up all my imperfections. Doesn't in the camera though. Happy days. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Me laggy. Let's do this right now. Awesome! Woo! Cool. Happy days. I look so like, it looks so strong. It's insane. Let's try and mellow it down a bit. Cool, and let's finish off with a bit of setting spray. We're going to use the Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray, cooling and hydrating. I could just, you know, go on and go on. Okay, so that was awesome. Oh hey, I thought my housemate was back. I was like, no. Okay, so that's how I look. So this is the base, all done and dusted. So I hope that you like the Youngblood. I have to do my eyebrows and get the makeup off my lips because ew. And I haven't put anything on my nose. Usually I put a bit of bronzer on my nose. So I will do that off camera and you will see that in my next video because I'm going to do a eyeshadow look. But I will save that intro for the next video. But I hope that you enjoyed this little, I wouldn't really call it a tutorial. Oh, oops. It's more of a letting you see what the makeup looks like. And how I apply my other products. So yeah, so if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Alright, bye guys.